Hi, Mike, and today we're going to be installing a Fluidmaster Flush and Sparkle. Kind of a neat way to keep your toilet clean without getting your hands dirty. Hey, if this is your first time here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below so you don't miss anything. So this thing is really stupid easy to install. You don't need any tools unless you want to trim one of the hoses off. But the benefit of it is that a lot of people will use like a chlorine tab or some other chemical and pour it into the tank, and when it empties, it goes into the bowl. That can damage O-rings and flappers and whatnot and dry them out. This bypasses all that and only goes into the bowl through the overflow tube. So it'll take probably a minute to do and is really quick. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is pull off the hose off of the fill valve here like that. Remove this clip off of the overflow valve, and we don't need that anymore. And then we're going to take the system and clip that on the back. I don't know if I'm going to keep that there or slide it further left or right, but there's a section here that says in. This in tube connects over here, and you can see that's too far, so I'm going to have to move it over here. Like so. This clips back onto the overflow valve. Like so. And then the only other thing is to install the cartridge. This is blue. I think when I reorder these last for about 3 months according to Fluidmaster, but that's going to depend on how often you flush the toilet. They do make these for septics. I believe currently those are green, and that's it. So now if we flush this, I'm assuming we're going to get blue water the first flush. We'll see. Nothing yet. So that was my first flush. No blue going in there yet. And by the way, this hose, I could take the hose off of this clip, trim it, and shorten this distance up a little bit. But all that's going to happen is this is going to fold down a little bit like so. There's no sharp bends in it, so I'm going to leave it like that. Let's try another flush and see if we can get some blue. Okay, I had to wait a little bit on that second flush, but we are starting to get some blue down there. So I'm not a big fan of blue water, so when this cartridge runs out, I'll probably reorder clear. I hope this video helped you. If you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comment section below. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and we'll see you next time.